Hi, welcome on Yourpedia Education, and I'm really thankful to all of you for this great response of on your part for WhatsApp group. I had just uploaded one video that we will make a common WhatsApp group of all the selected students, and the response was tremendous. I mean, thousands of students have sent their details. Let me tell you the purpose of these groups, and many of you must be in the groups by now. You must be observing that the purpose of the groups is to get help from each one. You know, we have created, many students had create Instagram, create Telegram groups and all. I've created WhatsApp groups because I want to manage students properly, and I've created groups separately. I mean, for reserve categories and for non-reserve categories, I have created for each branch separately. Reason for that is like the student who are from SC/ST community, their requirements and their gate score in different courses are different. The students who are from general category, unreserved category, OBC, and let's say those who are from EWS, their gate score requirement is different and SC/ST is different, and hence we have created separate groups. Many students have filled the Google form, but they have not provided the selections. So we presume that you are not selected anywhere. So if you are not selected anywhere, you should not join these groups because it may not help you. It may not help you. We will very soon create groups for you separately. I mean, those who are interested for winter admission, we will create their groups separately and all. That will be done. But as of now, the most important is that those of you who are selected should get benefit from each one and should make a right decision. Mentors will also be there. My another request is please maintain the decorum of these groups. You know, no unnecessary chatting should be done. That should not be done, and just maintain the decorum. Now, why this video I'm uploading? Because we have observed that student from scheduled caste, scheduled tribe community, SC/ST community, have filled the forms less in number. I mean, like in computers, you know, we have less than 100 students, others maybe have in thousands. So numbers of the students who are in SC/ST are less. They have applied less. Their requirements are alag. Their requirements are different. We are creating different groups on them. Like a scheduled tribe community student, even if the gate score is very less, merely qualified, even then you have opportunity. Same is for SC community students also. So let's get benefited from the knowledge and information which others are carrying and which mentors are carrying. So that is the reason I request all SC/ST community students, those who are watching this particular video of mine, please fill this Google form and tell where you are selected, or any query if you have. Believe me, you have opportunity. If not in summer, then winter may more seats are going to come, as I have already discussed with you. So avail that opportunity. Do not misuse your, do not waste your gate score which you have got. Just use it. If you are from SC community, scheduled tribe community, even if gate score is less, even then you may get call from some good course. You prepare for that course because interview call will come. MS and PhD may interview call will come, but you need to qualify the interview. So it is high time that at least if I tell you are going to get call, you start preparing for interview, and then in the winter, in January, Feb, you are in position to December, January, you are in position to crack interview. Requirements of interviews are done, and then you get selected into that. So I hope those of you who are from scheduled caste, scheduled tribe community, and also those who are from other community, if you are not filled the Google form, if you are selected somewhere, join it and help each one out. There's a common perception among some students that if I reveal my information, then I may be at loss. Believe me, I'm into this education sector for the last many years now. Education and knowledge, if you spread, if you give to somebody, it will never create any harm to you, never. If you tell somebody that there is an admission, you can get that admission, it will not create any harm to you. Believe me, holistically it is not going to be that way. So reveal it, whatever knowledge if you have, and you are not competing among yourself now, but yes, you may be helping those who want to get into winter admission or something like that. So it always helps, your knowledge always helps others. It will help you also. I hope I have made my point clear. Just fill the Google form and let's do whatever best we can do. All the best. Thank you.